If you are looking for best OTF knife, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Tac Force Assisted Opening Tactical Knife. Tac Force Opening Tactical Black Coated Best OTF Knife is made from straight edge clip point stainless steel blade that has been modeled off the knife models that were used by the British military during the Vietnam War. Moreover, the stainless steel used in the production of the blade is sourced from Australia and is coated in a thin layer of titanium nitride for added durability and modern look. Plus, the tac knife features a full tang that spreads through the entire anti-slip handle that is wrapped in beautiful brown real leather for perfect grip. Number 2. HX Outdoors Tactical Knives. HX Outdoors Tactical Knives anti-slip handle has a rugged surface that has been reported to be very reliable and relentless. The blade is very big with extremely sharp Japanese-made razor, hence this Bowie knife is great for slicing, chopping, and cutting. The blade is encased in textured rubber handle that is balanced and very comfortable, plus the knife can be fastened to a belt or a backpack. Number 3. OG Rapid Fire Series Knife. A solid off-grid pocket knife made in the USA with premium stainless steel blade that is highly resistant to rust and corrosion. Plus, this knife is often recommended for avid survivalists and outdoor lovers. It has a sturdy and balanced handle made with anti-slip material that is easy to clean and does not slip in rainy weather. Number 4. Schrade Viper Assisted Folding Knife. This Schrade OTF knife has a very attractive and intimidating look to it with a balanced and comfortable handle despite its big size and heavyweight. Moreover, the belt sheath has been reported to be very durable as it is made from a high-quality nylon material that will perfectly protect the blade when the knife is not in use. The knife is held in place by hook and loop strap, plus there are grommet holes and slots for straps so as to provide plenty of other lashing options. The blade itself is made from titanium-coated carbon stainless steel blade that is a little over 3 inches in length. Number 5. Kershaw Assisted Opening Pocket Knife. Kershaw AEM 5 Pocket 3.5 inches knife has a durable long clip point on the blade that can be used for opening jars and other small things, making it very useful during camping or hiking trips. The blade itself is quite thick and as reported has a high flat grind with a black powder knit ride coating for durability. The coating is thick, thus perfectly protects the knife from rusting or corrosion, especially during the rainy weather. The coating, however, has been reported to wear off with time, plus the blade is not very sharp, thus do not count on using it to prepare meals or cut wood. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.